In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert word art in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, transforming your text with a touch of creative flair. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or just looking to enhance your presentations, adding word art can make your text stand out and add a unique visual element to your slides. So let's dive in and explore the simple steps to incorporate word art into your presentation. To begin, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is your gateway to crafting engaging presentations. Once PowerPoint is up and running, the next step is to navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. You can either open an existing presentation that you're working on or start a new one if you want to practice along with this guide. With your presentation open, we'll be taking a journey to the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to enrich your slides with different elements, from images to charts and of course word art. Click on the Insert tab and you'll see a variety of tools at your disposal situated on the ribbon. Now let's focus on finding and selecting word art. Among the options on the toolbar, you'll spot an icon labelled word art. It's a playful tool designed specifically for enhancing the text on your slides. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing with several stylistic options for your text. These styles vary from bold outlines to subtle shadows. Select the style that speaks to the theme or message of your presentation. After choosing your preferred style, a text box will appear on your slide. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to personalize the text you want to transform. Click inside the text box and start typing. Be it the title of your slide, a catchy phrase, or a call to action, type in the words that fit your presentation's narrative. Once entered, you can easily move the text box by clicking and dragging it to your desired location on the slide. And there you have it, your very own word art creation that gives your presentation a bit more personality. Feel free to adjust the font size, color and position of your word art using the format tools to ensure it integrates seamlessly into your slide's design. Remember, word art is not just about decoration, it's about enhancing the way you communicate visually. So the next time you're working on a presentation and want to give your text a bit more oomph, don't hesitate to use word art. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel empowered to make your PowerPoint presentations more captivating with this simple yet effective feature. Happy presenting!